Hello students, now we will see the next one example. It is given here: survey conducted on 20 houses held in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. We have to find a mode. Now here it is given a family size. It is a class interval given that 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and here it is given a number of families that 7, 8, 2, 2, 1, and total it is given here, that is our 20, n is given here 20. Now we can see here our formula, whatever it is given for the mode, as we are knowing here that mode equals to L plus, we will write down f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the formula of the mode of the data. Now here we can see here, we will write down first the initial. For that one we will find out for the L, which is the lower limit of the model class. Once we can find out what is a model class, means whatever the frequently coming number is coming in our data, that is known in front of that one, whatever it is given, that is known as a model class, and the lower limit of that model class is known as a L. So here we can see it here, 8 is coming more frequently, so we can 8 is a bigger in this frequency. So in front of 8 it is given a 3 to 5, so we can tell that here 3 is our L, right? That is a lower limit, so we can write down here L equals to 3. Now what is f1, f0 and f2? If you can see it here in front of that one, whatever it is given, here we can write down this is your f1, then preceding one is known as a f0 and succeeding one is known as a f2, right? And h, if we can see it here, whatever f1 we can write down here, f1 equals to 8, f0 equals to 7 and f2 equals to 2. And h, if we can see it here, what is that length of a class interval? If you can see it here, 5 minus 3, it is coming a 2. So we can see it a 3, 4 and 5. We are not as 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So h is your 2. By taking this all initial compulsory we have to write, and after writing this one we will write down it, so it will become a easy. Our L, whatever it is given, that is a 3 plus, then what is our f1? F1 is 8 minus, what is our f0 is 7. Then we can write down 2f1. 2 into f1 means 2 into 8 minus, what is our f0 is 7 and f2 is 2, and outside the bracket we can write down here a h, that is our height, that is our 2. Now we will just simplify it here. 8 minus 7 is 1, then 2 8s are 16, and minus 7 and minus 2, it will become a 9, and then we can write down equal into 2. So we can see it here, 3 plus 1 upon 7. 16 minus 7 is a 7, sorry, 16 minus 9 is a 7, and into 2 we can write down it here. So we can write down 3 plus 2 upon 7. So whatever we will get it here, if you want to find the LCM and multiply, write down it, or directly you can write down in a decimal form at a 2 upon 7, then also you will get the same. So we can see it here, what we are getting here, that if we can divide 2 with the 7, we can get it here 0 0 0 because it is not a 0 point, we can know that 7 2s are 14, and then we can say 7 8s are 56. Up to 2 decimal we will write down it. So our mode is 3.28. So we have our mode, we can write down at that 3.28. So mode, if we can see it here, the frequently it is coming in 3 and 5, so we can confirm it here that 3.28 is the mode of the given data.